And I really don't like talking about my prison experience because it get me traumatized.
Yeah, of course, I get it.
I've been in a situation whereby I take shower in my cell. They come with water hose. You come out 30 minutes in a day. You choose. Either you want to be on the phone and talk to your family, or you go take a shower, or you go to the rec. So you choose one. Then I'll be choosing. 30 minutes per hour. From a tree. Ube for bushing for, and as a Boko Jarry. Ube Jarry, Papa Jarry, choose tobacco.
Well, then come make you see me about one say, I be who sunlight naturally.
Umbezo bushing for Becasa.
Because I was informed them because I ain't shed dance sashi.
Maybe now here's Cabia running.
A moment also so a tough wheel.
And 7 days in a week, no 30 minutes per the whole week.
No, so Jarry.
And then in now, so it's now officer or Beba duty, no. So Filiwa. Once you want to say prison, they run by itself. Prison, they run by the government. Private. Into the officers never honor. So Filiwa. Enna. Obey me. Say most of them be tokan they be moja ansem. Officer oba duty service obi fiubi. Obe lock you be down. Obi MP. Into na say nipa ejuma.
Yeah.
Nipa ejuma into no. They were etie no. And Udi Bonnie, I do back a baby away, friends. And I woman said, at the Kai one time. At this, the selling sons sell the poo, Utmi Hua Bonten, Utmi, my boy, she was out to Mijina Bonten. Officer, they drew her. Oh, baby, so you want to take a shower? Okay, yeah, or get a water hose. And Pana that's only Bibiano.
What tunes you know?
On tunes, you get a water hose, or get a sprinkler. Oh, get a sprinkler, Mia. Next, no connect. You want to take a shower? Bema. I don't remember from BBR 4. Have the a jarring and Miss Numi. The next time I was on Banakas, you want to take a shower. Get the fuck out of here. Taking no goddamn shower.
Yeah.
You feel me?
But me say one question be a me sure say be a be person be answer, but me dem be say me who. Opa answer who me so fine. I don't know what me use it phone. Ewo ho.
Send me a guy, man.
I know to me back online yeah day.
Me a guy, man.
But say not allowed me boy.
Illegal.
It is say man say see who say we use it for now. You beat him out. You almost must have mafia or more now. No.
Bet you phone from one we got that home. Maximum security. You bet transfer. You don't be be any hey Charlie. You bet transfer where you don't be when ninja da. On the prisons near level. Your county camp. Like me go prison first no. Let me be a one thing. If you have one thing kwa juma. Only officer yet to boss would be a handcuffs of shame go answer. You get me? We call prison fresh. I'm gonna transfer me call fresh. Oh, a piano part to detail call out. Some of the detail call out. Next year, she boots no, jungle boots no. What make you make a
maybe.
You call prepper coin. America coin in a prepper. Prison for the prisoners for the prepper coin anymore. Near decade ditch. Near prepping who is the boy who rattlesnake or one on the moon. Near only in America FNO. And it's in America FNO. County be a issue prisoners no.
And it's CC Krumo.
It's CC Krumo. Into no. One year call papa. Unya privileges we know one year call papa. And a county companies no. Unya chicken di. If you do ye, unya take unya ali treat too good.
Yeah.
Into privileges ne de. A honor phones woeful. Into unya temptation is up a so cut off phones nibi. You get me? I would mean a phone by $150, $200. By a chiwa. Instant na your transfer over them maximum security na transfer call level 5. Maybe I don't connect on phone mark 2,000. Come on. $3,000. Into no order county camp for a privilege man.
Why am I turn phones now? Business now.
Don't worry about your tongue. And who do don't want. Oh yeah, guy man, I do don't want. And a pampana and who do don't want. Hey, now the back not so. No, I show bed number no. To show bed number na. And nobody we don't wanna kill us for BGs na dine no already. Say prison no I saw boarding school. But not kill us for BG dine no. Hey, who you is? What you bank? Shout body near she say we a soft nigga. Okay, normally can check your temperature no. And so urem ni you show noodles name are there but you reading pabo so you read you get me? Into no tactics. And then I make a story now confront here say no. Me call fresh na me de tactics be nam. If one person will be able to say we do don't wa. Ubi some question me few minutes man ka ko say edware o. Atade na esem no. Amayeta acting the real. Ebi atade na esem no. Maka ko gina shawo ne mu. Me share him the mu nyina, dware nsu ni mu nyina. Unti mafa powder. Na me nam dom ho. Me no bi anka say fresh in the dom. Obi an na act no the room. A friend. The way you enter.
And then I say, okay, now it's in the stay or
it's how you are going to stay. Into a tactics the room. Every prison be what hide the regular to be prison be nice a crips and corner prison. What doors one so all your blood now around any problem be into war so who tactics are the name. If what to prison they say a Muslims in corner running. There's almost any about rim. A tactics the room.
Now the part and the bow and nimunesa.
Short taxes no. Since me for. And I'm the partner gumi home. And I'm a nam don nipa be 400 no good. I'm the partner gumi home. And I'm a nam na me catchy kasano. I'm a nam don I'm a yes na me yen century. Mashim in pano. Ze be a true.
Hey, was akwabini.
Who this is be a true. My chap, my Zubin. When I order men paneswa. Me no make up bro. Only I say,
yeah.
Yo, get out from my bed. Oh yes, oh yeah. In a be I said Jack back. Ye me didn't come who a prison in me African ya meba. Because me other prisons than ya booming a meba. Only I say. Ya booming and me different taxes and the remove. I didn't mean mistake. Be me 15 years old. Sentence let them say 15 years. Serve 6 into no me time na me babe no taxes and the rem. Into no. What am paniswa? Yo. Away. Oh yes, oh yeah. Say me check. Na jig bow and also be 3 4 tables to the whole compound about 4,000 people compound. Be to say African dinner but not drinking yet. Don't try him. Don't play with him. No matter if Friday prisons. Hey, you know this nigga? Who Friday prison? Better show boy in Zonka. I just bow. Who free streets now? Because you say, "No, this is kind of way we know about how."
Yeah.
You get me? So you dey do my homework. Me rap prison. Baby, me rap here. You my homework now. What my documents are? What check here?
It was so.
Bah. Master B.O.B. Into bear me now. Jai Jimmy and Baby Jimmy. I say, na my your go find to be the insurance family na me part and na me yes na say for na me yes senchen we chiro omuni ma de kro omu say duro ra be fi
na time am obi dwane da say obi escape prison and I end them ebi nc
no story ni so ma make a we
okay
na me de e friend say me de part na me nam dom na me yes senchen na tofe no na me tofe I'm a twig. Me yen sense no don't be 30 minutes. Answer my trans you. Was it in 24 no? Life nasa for no. Meet me bang. They don't cause no harm in 24 OG for no. Now where you from? I'm from Ghana, Africa. Are you from the motherland? What this is? There's an incantation, and that's where I go. I gotta get sacred. And I got to kick all the bad energy out of my ancestors. I got to feed my ancestors. There are so many things going through my mind. And I practice voodoo. So, you know, I practice the real traditional things. And I believe in karma. Anybody do wrong, his father is going to die. His mama is going to die. Maybe maybe she calculate she
yeah.
Makachi OG, prison, prison. Oh, concern People's Party. CPP.
Oh shit.
Me my bro. Into Atlanta says, "You drew about me man shop. I can't talk about. I fight for my life. Oh,
yeah.
So I be boy, I be junior, my friend. Say me when in can. We got that PC, protective custody. When in jail, Use the BM phone. Me a guy man or dumb wow trauma me a draw run at the hono. And I'm my son's fighting for case. Now my friend and now for no gun, my friend Malan for my package, my friend Malan for my mama Malan for Nakasama, my baby, my children drew so. Some of the moments come and bring for the me for survive.
Yeah,
me real life for survive. At the common niggas for that you bad man. Charlie, Munye, Kake Kunia Mani Mammy, so my friend when I'm a gunsa by 4 o'clock. A dining time where you over my account time we met from many niggas in your befriend from one Mejumano, Malam Street and Casada.
That's why Joe Muscow
means you be a scammy protection. I'm a preparation. That's kind of forget that's coming over. Yes, will be almost your life is the same. Do be as I say, because I'm getting Bruno. What I say, that is some that's one no. What I say, into bar. Oba, my friend against and it's me phone get am no to me engine for me sem. And they friend malam no. On tia say. Any de ton tampeno, any de bibia into me. Yeah. I say. To buy my friend, me yo, ya bosom message demo.
Set up.
My bosom set up message demo. Freya snaps you. Quick. Against now.
Crazy.
And I'm the survivor.
Wow.
There's a meton tamping fem. I may trap a fem. Charlie prison in the air. Now you have African idiot. I'm a manunia, pam. Me premise show me hospital documents. I say, hey, what bread? Mom, yes, sir.
Yeah.
Doctors, I'm the survivor there. No, my catch you.
I swear.
Any more questions?
They may busa, you know. Obi Janeda. So Obi escape because you say America prison. The Obi to me escape.
Oh, a man for escape, but to me escape.
Okay.
2 things. You can't escape. Security is very, very tight. But the question you ask yourself is, why do you want to escape?
Yeah.
1. Can I survive escaping in America? Where am I going to hide?
You better chill back. You better chill.
But what county can I go for Johnny?
Okay.
You feel me? Ubi Johnny, Babeba. Ubi Kancho Zebra. That's America.
Yeah.
I say.
A man for we.
And if you know, oh, there be a. My dad don't my friend is saying, second will be a kuno. Miss, I'm not on password, a catanaso. Count time, will be age and empasso. No, quite home. My dad don't manipulate will bear 3 days, bear 4 days, or them. I am all movie. Count time was an against yes, chemists. Eddie, Mujabi 2 Uncle Hospital.
Nana ebi so ne cause say ahwe movies especially movie with Prison Break. Ebi ne ayi for no officers ne ko.
There be it be burning. One smart thing about prison is that majority of the staff working in prisons are females. Oh. Into call your friend is saying, "Oko, remember prisons na male prisons na, a man running prison. Oh yeah, Bema, also an upper." Fine girl. I said, Tadia by Juma. A psychology. America for him, your moye. On for Bema Bim Bawa. And a baby provoking as a for Baman. And it works so hard to say, oh, your office and Abana Bayes, and I will prove an Nipa Bay report to a change you. Yeah, she peace. And now, officers know you have to be interactive. Charlie, nip obi so stress you. Ejuma na dem ye dey ba be ye. No me jam be me no. Obi be niasraw. Ejuma na ba be so hu ejuma na ba be. Dey deadly job o. So for no say you be no person ejuma prison. Obi tuma so na pa na de buafu adwena tia fa so na se kan kita no. O hia wo no dey wo.
Crazy.
E koso nyama bebre koso. Amanfo repin kofo.
Yeah.
E me kai me drew rela. I don't like even name the prisons where I go to. I the kind this one pa. You intake dom. And the brony bibini because to die back home. Bad man. And I just say brony ni came. Makes me a fresh prison ho. You're family called compound hole. So Bunini came was sell house. Hey, I'm not lucky in lockdown. Won't mean your she. Bunini came. Dining time by 4 o'clock and she said Bunini and I'm from officer. Next week, the man lucky in your damage. Police for be braba by the muchacha pictures. So if you look down, say what happened? Say, oh, that nigga raped that nigga. I'm saying, hey, don't become a prisoner. I'm pat. Okay, is there something for taxes for fraud? Is there something drain taxes on the baby compound? Because compound with the whoop. I take one and go for it and go for rape and go for it.
Yeah.
Is there for taxes? And no taxes, the minimum yamen kwan. And the ministers are me do her. Mission no kill our one, it's boom. Look at on tampe one ho. Taxes. Me drew you got some way? I say, yeah, I bet, man, let me get some. Into me better, me 3 times of the price. So if I say, we need $100.
My 300.
My 300. I just said, my G with my cotton machine. Or your chain, man, yeah, keep the chain, man, that ain't nothing. Into automatic, now, I say,
yeah, psychology.
Killing it to war. So catching it down for killers and I say, yo, this nigga sweet. Wow, he don't gotta get the fuck out of here, bro. This nigga is, yo. That nigga just gave me $300 for a dab and he ain't even worry about it.
They said, no.
And one certified was the next minute time I realized, you know. Was a small boy's neighbor in chain. Hey, where you from, man? Hey, I'm hungry, man. I can get some food, man.
Oh.
Go ahead, man. Get this shit. What you want? Y'all want to eat? Get this shit. Let me do them more. It's a two type of place. More me rich nigga play and more me gang play and I'm a walk. In the same play.
Yeah.
Surroundings be make me do. In tick back. So we do them more. Be 70 or them more. Me calculate. Hey, all your store bags on me, bro. The whole dome, everything on me. So what? Calculate $7,000. You get me?
Crazy.
Ubi anti us here. Hey, who got a cash up? Imagine a phone also. Send 7,000, give the dome. My third dome in instance. It's in that one I'm using my phone now. On budget. On baho. Next time I realize the whole compound I drew no me didn't spread the 4,000, me didn't spread the whole akata phone. Who this nigga is? My name's Showboy. I'm from Africa, man. Fuck y'all niggas got going on. To come Instagram, there's almost a cat and my flexing fitting calabina member. It's my town, so I'm into one of say, yo, that nigga not playing. You go on his Instagram, he really that nigga. My dropping bumbo ye, my dropping him on a member. You get me? Make it a bandana code Jana member. And I'm just when I cut off on and I'm on Maryland, I'm member, you know. Hey, who you is? Nigga, man. My name's Sure, but that's all y'all niggas gotta know, bro. You smoked already?
I swear.
Man, roll that shit up, man. Let's smoke, man. Don't ask me nothing about me, bro. That shit's out of the window, bro. I'm right here to do the time, kick it, and go home, bro.
Crazy.
My pushy shit one drain. Many men didn't come over here.
Yeah.
So let me cast on Zakwa radio. No scared, send a task. No against anymore. Yeah, what happened there? Into no only me a rougher. My catch a killer and I'm a ton tampe. Yo, I don't like this nigga in the dome, bro. He watching me too much, bro. I got $500 for you, bro. Let that nigga get the fuck out of here, bro.
I swear.
It's been punishment. I just bow when you saw all left and right because get the fuck out of here. Hey, you good? I am good.
I know. Crazy.
To try down kwa wala.
Nice. Ranko the idea, wow.
So I'm survive, baby, man.
Swear.
So to all my ghetto youths, let me use this opportunity to talk to my people living in America. Stay away from violence. Stay away from peer pressure. Stay away from fraud. Stay away from scam. Stay away from anything negative. that's going to lead you to prison because I bet you're not going to survive it. The fact that I survive it doesn't mean you're going to survive it, bro. I have a good energy. Maybe you don't. Niggas like me. I'm handsome. I'm cute. You feel me? So niggas just like me. Maybe they don't. I got some ass whooping though. So if you don't want to go to prison, you don't want to go through the real physical torture, the trauma, please be a good boy. And it's very easy. Go to school, find you a job, get yourself busy, build your credit, take a loan. It's very easy. Get a credit card. Live a real minimum wage and just be good. Freedom is everything, bro. There's nothing valuable than freedom, bro. No matter how much you're gonna feel like you gotta make money. Check this out. You're gonna make $1 zillion, right? Or $1 billion and lose your fucking freedom. How the fuck you gonna enjoy it? I was doing my time masturbating, bro. I get so mad, bro. I do this, bro. You don't want to do that. Whilst niggas doing this, I'm out there doing this. That's not what you want. You got to be out there in the house doing this. Getting some tree. You dig? So I'm going to keep you all the way funky with y'all niggas, bro. Do good. All the gangster shit, all the anger shit. Learn how to say please and sorry. And it's going to save you 10 years of your time suffering. Please. And please, to my new youth coming up, we made it through the struggle. Doesn't mean it's easy. It can be easy if you pay attention to the right road. You feel me?
Real shit.
So do good. Gang. We're done.
Of course, what I said, Charlie.